Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Ibiza 1 litre TSI 95 PS finished in mystic magenta. Features on the car include LED daytime running lamps built into the headlights, front fog lights. The car benefits from a wheel upgrade to a 16-inch alloy wheel, has the integrated LED indicators in the mirror housing. All of the current shape Ibizas are now 5-door. Rear of the car, the Seat badge doubles as the boot handle, with a large loading space and the option to drop the rear seats to the 60/40 split. Car seats 5 in total, has a black and grey cloth interior, has ISOFIX standard on the rear bench. Has front electric windows and electric mirrors, automatic lights, another multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 9,400 miles. Has a touchscreen display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming and hands-free calls. There's also an SD card slot with USB port and 3.5mm auxiliary. Air conditioning and storage in the centre with a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further information or to book a test drive on this car, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.